This is the multi-tool axe. It's a survival axe. Check that out, right? Very nice, strong, sturdy, heavy. It's got a hammer right here, showing on there, right? All right, good. So that's a hammer, right? Pound things in, set up your tent, whatever you need to hammer, pound. Right, nice sharp blade on there. See that? All right, little wolf design. Okay. Now, fun things about this here is break it down. And keep a flint inside of there. All right, start fires with. In here we have a storage area, so you can store items, whatever you need to store. All right. The second part is safe, with a serrated blade for a saw in case you need to saw down some trees, whatever you need to do. Can opener, right there, bottle opener, right? We got more still. Window breaker in case you're stuck in a vehicle or whatever you need to do. And then right here is a so there you go. And you even got a little lanyard on there. All right, like and subscribe for more.